welcome back to my channel. Today I am making pumpkin spice Dalgona coffee. I think that's how you say it. Dalgona? So I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to make it. It is pretty easy. I don't know if I would typically make this on a day-to-day basis because, you know, when you want coffee, you just want to make something really fast and quick to wake you up. This is something that involves a lot more steps, but it is worth it at the end. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is start off by making your foam. So you will need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I prefer to use a large mixing bowl because when you do mix it, it becomes very messy. Then you'll need 2 tablespoons of sweetener. I'm using Lancato monk fruit sweetener. And then 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then you'll mix it. You can use a frother, like a handheld frother. It does take a lot longer. All right, so I'm going to mix this on high and I'm going to beat it for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you do a handheld frother, it'll take about 5 to 7 minutes. So if you have one of these, I would definitely use it. Okay, so you can see the consistency already. It's starting to get a little bit foamy and the color is starting to lighten up. That's what you want to see. And this is the reason why I say use a larger bowl. I used a smaller bowl before and it went everywhere, including my carpet. So don't say I didn't warn you. But just keep mixing it until you get a really light color and it's really fluffy. And then we're done with this part. Okay, so this is the light brown consistency that you want. It's nice and fluffy. It's nice and thick. So if you're just making a regular coffee, not a PSL, you can definitely taste it to see if it needs more sweetener. Sometimes mine does, especially with using the monk fruit. So I'll need to add like another ½ tablespoon. But because I'm adding fresh pumpkin spice into this mixture, I'm not going to add additional sweetener because then it'll be way too sweet. So now we'll move on to making our drink. To make our drink, you will need some type of liquid. I see many people use milk, almond milk. I've tried that before. You can use heavy cream if you like. Oat milk, whatever you prefer. Today I'm going to use half and half. You'll need your pumpkin spice puree, and to get this recipe I actually follow Ashley. Her Instagram handle is Low Carb Ho. She's hilarious and makes awesome recipes, so give her a follow and check out her pumpkin spice recipe. But it's super simple, and I can definitely share with you guys the recipe on another time, or I'll definitely put it on my comments. Ice, if you want to make this hot, you can definitely do that, and then your cream or your foam. So first I'm going just to fill my cup. I'm going to add my pumpkin spice. I'm going to start off with 1. I'm going to give this a taste just to make sure if I need to add a little bit more. Really good. Okay, I'm just going to add just a tad. So I'm just using, this is about a teaspoon. So I've used 2. And then I'm going to add my foam. There you have it, guys. Seriously, amazing. But before, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below, and let me know what you guys think if you end up making it.